Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them not like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me, try so hard then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry.
Sack man.
Ande?
Say there. You bring to us and come.
Yeah man, let me bring man.
So
I'm right,
Let me push up that way.
2 more for selling a day too.
oh, you have 2 more for selling a day.
I go for them. I go for them and come back.
You go for them and come back. I want to tell you to somebody, a next person, they must purchase 2 of them. Because she watch the program as well and she see it. You know, stop smoke. You need to stop smoke, man. Listen, man. You need to stop smoke, man. So she want to purchase 2 of them from you. Yeah. So all this, she must get 6,000.
Yeah.
Count that and see how much is that.
She want 2 more than there.
Nah, man. She's buying these 2.
How
much is that?
6,000.
6,000.
Yeah.
And a 2,500 for one, right?
Yeah, I'll give it to you.
So what shall I do? Shall I give her the 6,000?
Yeah.
Yeah? So for the 2 of them. So more you thank woman of God.
Yeah, I'm over time, Khan.
Listen up, looking at the camera and tell her, say thanks, woman.
Thank you, woman of God.
She's in America.
She's in America, right? Yeah, I love that, man. God knows, man.
And she say you need to stop smoke. You need to stop the smoking.
Yeah, man.
Yeah? Because everyone is saying you need to stop the smoking.
Yeah, man. So I'm not going to regular habit of what I will block my
yeah, but still, you need to stop smoke because it'll mash up your lungs.
Yeah, man.
It'll mash up your inside.
Yeah.
Yeah? So she must purchase these 2 from her for her sister. So she don't want her name to call. She want to be known as woman of God.
Yeah.
So tell her again, thanks once more.
Thank you, man. God knows. More said to me, I'll take the bread down, so I can really feel too.
Yeah. So woman of God, thank you.
Yeah, man.
Big up yourself.
Yeah, bless it. Yeah. Liverpool on side?
Blow me.
Liverpool on my side.
I thought Mr. Say Liverpool on side and see everyone mask, man.
One side I bring, man.
Live,
man.
Yes, sir.
Oh, God. Thing up.
Never stands alone, you know? Never stands alone, you see it?
Walk alone.
You see it?
Alright.
You know the thing set, brother.
Yes, man. So I'm going to
Yeah, man, we'll do some quotation, you know? Get us some price or some things.
Great.
Yeah. So everything good though?
Yeah, man, everything alright.
What you put
I watch some TV, you know what I mean?
Yeah. Get some price, something, but the window and them things are never there on it. Yeah.
Window, the sun and the gravel.
And the gravel and the door.
And the door. That's them 40 gallon tube. Okay.
So you can see the price on this. The price is 89,000 mash. You see more without the sun, without the gravel, the door and the window them. You see me?
Yeah.
So you know different from the builder.
Yeah.
The builder funds and the workman them funds. So you know them things that will come in place here, man.
Yeah.
See that look fine.
Yeah, man. I just don't know thing right there on it. That's a thing where you talk.
Yeah.
Come up to 89,000. Yeah, see there?
So I guess.
Shows you some sense.
Yeah. So you know with the rest of them pan it would have been more.
Yeah, man, I'll get them started out, boss, man.
Yeah,
I
so.
know for people who want to reach out to the thing, you see me?
Yeah.
So let me see this now. Yeah. I know say your thing up and running online.
Yeah.
Brother.
Come collect some donation for you, you know.
Okay.
And so donation I will collect now, we're going to put it towards
Yes,
that.
man. I can do that, man.
Yeah, we'll just start buy up some things now with them donation now we get.
Yeah.
That's how we have it. So you don't
I'll
know.
put up safe.
Oh man, yeah, give me that man.
Yeah, man, give it, man. Put up safe.
I'm going to start buy them from now.
Okay.
Just buy them little buy.
I'm putting it up.
Yeah, I'm going to start buy them little buy a little.
Okay.
You see me? So I can buy with them on this.
Yeah.
So I want to see. So the funds that we have, we just use them for funds. The more funds are coming to and after more funds for collect.
Yeah.
See me? So we just buy them little material then.
Yeah.
And push them over. Yeah. Hold on. The donation them we get.
Yeah.
And so we say we put them towards material and thing.
Yes, man. I can do that, man.
So now I make you count them what we get.
Yeah.
So this is Maureen from St. Martin's.
Yeah.
Maureen from St. Martin, 10,000. Count it.
You soon talk to you, yeah? Sir, come over. Soon talk to you, yeah.
Yes, that's Maureen. Ten, yeah?
Yeah, Maureen.
From St.
Thanks.
Martin's.
From St. Martin's?
Yeah.
Yeah, Maureen from St. Martin's. Thanks very much, mommy. You see me? Many blessings, you see it?
And this Andrew and Simone from New York, Bronx.
Yeah.
Andrew and
and
Simone.
Simone.
Yeah. It's 7,000.
Okay.
Andrew and Simone.
Yeah.
7, yeah.
Andrew and Simone, blessings.
From New York,
Many
Bronx.
love and give thanks. You see me? Yeah, man. Many love and blessings.
And this is Nicole from Canada.
Yeah.
6,005.
Let's go from Canada.
Yeah. Nicole from Canada.
Yeah, 6-5. Blessings, Nicole from Canada. Many blessings and thanks, mommy. You see it? Yeah, man. Much love.
And this berry skills. You say you're supposed to know him too, so you say tell me berry skills from US, America.
Yeah, I think
6,000 berry skills.
Yeah, man. Yeah, brother, bless up in the bossy. You see me? Yeah, man, respect our honor, man.
And this is Andrew Porter from the UK, from Birmingham, England.
Yeah.
Andrew Porter. And this is 6,500. 6,500, Andrew Porter.
Yes, Andrew.
Yeah, Andrew Porter.
No, Andrew Porter.
Yeah, from Birmingham, England.
Yes, 6'5".
6'5".
Bless up Andrew, blessings, my boss. See me? Respect and honor and thanks every time.
Yeah. And this is Pretty Donna. So must call her Pretty Donna from US.
Yeah.
From Georgia. So $25,000.
Yeah.
25.
Who's that again?
25, Pretty Donna.
Pretty Donna.
Yeah. From the USA.
Yeah, man. Pretty Donna, you say?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, Pretty Donna. Blessings, love, more, man. Many thanks and honor, you see him?
Yeah.
Respect a lot to everybody.
Yeah.
You see my brother? Yeah, man, because I put towards the thing them right now, so we can make a buy the thing them. You see my brother?
Yeah, so we can
So we
start
can
by
buy the things them and so. And once it reach up, because it's 85 it reached to
89 without the door, sun and the gravel and the window. Isn't it? You know, say workman, money, the builder, that are coming including. So they have people are sending donations same here towards it. So you can deal with same because people are contact with CMA towards it. Contribution.
I want to get it up and running quick. That's it before I so can. I mean, so this out now can buy some material.
Yeah.
Anything you can buy, just buy.
Yeah, so anything you can buy, you will start buy. Because you get some donation from earlier.
Yeah.
So still can make up CMA. And people still have to contribute CMA. So
yeah.
so you can start the thing. So you can start buy some material. So every thank the donor them again.
Yeah, man, many thanks to everyone,
Yeah,
man.
and we have to
Who
give.
see it and give a helping and respect and thanks, guys. Place need to fix people out here, you see what I'm saying?
Yeah, and we need to thank Father God as well too.
Yes, man.
Thank Father
Every
God.
time,
Because without Father God this wouldn't be
Father God,
possible.
it would be possible as well, see,
Yeah.
brother. And to you, to Peanut, I don't know. They put out the work so everybody see. You see what I'm saying,
Yeah.
brother? So yeah, man, give thanks to you to everyone again. Blessing, love, man, you see it?
Yeah.
Respect them, I feel like I really appreciate everybody who are helping and you see me? Yeah, give thanks to everybody.
But big up the support of them once now again.
Yeah,
So them
man,
big up on yourself. And many thanks for what I do for Jin Jin.
Yeah.
So as what we say, we are in the movement and we're going to start do what we can do and buy the material them. Yeah, so thanks for the subscribers and thanks for watching them. And give thanks to the Almighty. I don't know, I am make this possible.
Yes, man, brother, man. I say
Yeah.
thanks to the Almighty every time, boss.
Yeah, man.
I even push the energy to the people. Them
Yeah.
You see me, I say, brother? So yeah, man, forever fathers and man. You see me?
Yeah.
It's impossible right now, so. To everybody again, many love and many blessings. Respect to everybody. You see me? Give thanks.
Yeah.
One love, one
One
love.
love. So I must say we have to collect some more because people contact, so we're going to get back to me as well to so we have more donations for collect. So when we do same way towards materials. So we can get the thing up and running. As the builder say, we come to storm season, hurricane season. So we want to get the thing up and running.
That's a car man is down, brother.
Yeah. You see, it's a camera just down, so I get the thing up and running.
Alright, you know. Let's get to the middle of the week so we can make it back.
Yeah.
We can sort out some material.
Yeah, so if we go buy them in another week, you know, say holiday weekend and things, so we'll start buying them up in another week. Just big up yourself once more, you know, say yo, stay positive, see me.
You see me? Yeah.
Every time.
Always positive, you know, say always positive. No, Jack. You see me? Everybody are holy for family, you see?
See me.
And to everybody again, honor and blessing.
Alright.
See me? One love.
And love.
Yes, man.
Watch her now. You see Life in Jamaica. You hear that Kerry Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch her now, no.
Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better day.